Here I have Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'm going to show you how to deactivate quick launch on this device. So quick launch is basically when you just double press side key and you can perform some actions like this. For example, I can open camera by quickly double pressing power key. If you getting annoyed by this feature, you can disable it by going to the settings, then go to the advanced features, side key, and here you have double press. Just disable it like this, and now when I double press my power key, nothing happens. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.